Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Equalizer Apo and the optional piece GUI so you can edit presets quickly. Once installed, run the installer as administrator and choose the exact playback device Discord uses, your headset or virtual audio cable. After selecting the device, restart Windows or the audio service to load the Apo DLL. This ensures the system audio path is intercepted. Make sure the device shows Apo as active in the installer, because without that, none of the equalizer changes will affect Discord audio. Next, route Discord audio through the device Equalizer Apo controls. Open Discord settings and set input and output to the same device Apo targets, or use a virtual audio cable as an intermediary if you want separate monitoring. In Windows Sound App Volume, pin Discord to that device so traffic always passes through the equalizer. Then open Piece and create a voice preset. Boost 200-400 Hz for warmth, cut 4-8K Hz to tame sibilance, and add a gentle high shelf for presence so your voice stays. Finally, fine-tune while testing in a Discord voice channel so you can hear how adjustments translate to listeners. Make small changes and listen. Large boosts create distortion, so favor narrow Q cuts or boosts. If you see no change, confirm Apo is enabled for the exact device in the installer and restart Discord or Windows. Mismatched devices are the most common failure. If you need separate monitoring or want music unaffected, route playback through virtual audio cables and assign independent Apo profiles to get the precise result you want.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.